Yeah, so trade trend lines are trend lines that are drawn with 2 points, an entry, or I should say an initiating point and a defining point. Okay. And if you break that trade trend line, your first target is the defining point. Okay. So it's the point closest to recent price action that defines the angle of the trend line. Okay. And then your next one could be the initiating point of the trend line, or it may be a longer trend line that's in the way of you getting to the initiating point of the second trend line. So imagine that you have two trend lines and they sort of look like this, right? This one is longer. If you break this one, you get to the defining point and then you keep going, you're probably going to get to this trend line. And this trend line often matches the initiating point of the other trend line. All right. Trend lines that are drawn upward sloping from lows, those are trend lines. Trend lines that are drawn upward sloping from highs, those are targets. Those are not trend lines. All right. So those are sort of the basics of what we talked about with trade trend lines.